Hey guys, Saumya here, and we have Nikhil today with us, and we are very much excited to let you know that we have updated our robust solution, Web2Print solution, that is all-in-one designer and designer, right, Nikhil?
Yeah, definitely.
Nikhil, thank you very much for giving us your time, and let's get a quick walkthrough around the updates we have. And before that, can you quickly introduce yourself to our audience, please?
Yeah, for sure. So, hi, my name is Nikhil, and I have been helping print service providers from more than 10 years now, where my expertise is to understand the basic needs of print service providers from their web to print solution and then help them implement it very effectively so that we manage the operations for them and they manage their sales.
That's amazing, Nikhil. That must prove that you have been in the industry for 10 years and you understand the requirements very well. So, in the industry, what change do you have seen over the years, and how the printers' approach have been changing towards the digital technology?
Sure. So what we have witnessed now is like print service providers are moving much faster to the digital platforms, specifically the web to print solutions. And the major reason that we have observed is their customers, right? So the customers now they want to order printing from their home, from their offices, and at their comfort, so that they can quickly place order, and printers they can do their work effectively and deliver those orders.
Correct. Customer is king anyway. So I see Pinnacle Awards there, and we are very much happy to receive that. What are your feelings on it?
Yeah, definitely. So, as we have been serving the printing companies from 13 years, it has been a very long journey for us where we have witnessed a lot of changes in the technology. So, initially, we were specifically focused on offering a complete solution with the e-commerce, but then gradually we have witnessed that lot of print service providers they prefer to have their own stores built on specific e-commerce, and there's a need of a design tool that also helps them manage the complete ordering, and that is where we have introduced our new tool, which is designer. And then since we have introduced it, we have witnessed a good response from our customers, and we are happy that our whole team have made a good efforts to achieve this, and we are happy to share that we have received 2 awards.
Amazing. It was certainly a collective effort, and designer is certainly very much appreciated in the market currently. It is an award winning technology. So, what was the real need for this update, by the way?
Yeah, so this update is kind of more enhancement on the base tool, the designer tool that we have. So now what we have introduced in the recent upgrade, which is version 1.3 of our designer tool. So we have introduced added login features to it, right? Apart from that, we have introduced the new workflow management, which is more effective compared to what we had earlier, right? So overall, our designer tool is not specifically to manage the designs, right, where the customers can place an order, changing certain things in business cards or any other products, but we also have a complete order management in the back end of our solution that not only helps print service providers to just manage the design work and the artwork approval as well as receiving the print ready files, but the complete order management right from the time they receive an order till the delivery of the product. So apart from that, we have also introduced color detection of image within the latest capabilities that we have, and we have also introduced an option where now for the packaging module that we have, which gives the 3D preview, which is a live 3D preview. So let's say being a print service providers, you are serving your customers with packaging items, maybe some industries like restaurants as well as cosmetics. You can certainly create beautiful templates for those restaurant industries as well as for cosmetic industries. So your customers from those industries, they can choose from the whole lot of templates which you are offering. They can do the edit work and then they can simply place an order. It becomes very convenient for them to process. And at the same time, being a print service provider, you get that output file to produce and deliver to your customers. So it has been a very important updates for the print service providers, and we definitely would be happy to like connect personally with all printers and give them a one-on-one personalized demo.
That's great. That sounds amazing. The especially the packaging templates you were talking about for the customer. You just select the template, edit, and get it done. It's that easy. So I think that feature is going to be appreciated a lot. And there are many other features, even in all-in-one Web2Print as well, which are going to be appreciated, I believe. And yeah, I think just let our audience know how they can connect with you to get a detailed demo and detailed information on this.
Definitely. So you can always visit our website and fill the inquiry, and we will be happy being a salespeople to individually connect you guys and schedule a one-on-one personalized demo for you and your entire team. We always prefer you also include your team who is responsible for the setup, so that way it becomes easier for them also to understand the whole process of setting up the store. So yeah, we look forward to connect and speaking with you soon.
Thank you very much, Nikhil. I'll leave his email ID in the caption as well, in the description as well, so you can check out and connect with him directly. I'll leave our website link as well, which is www.designandbuy.com. Thank you very much for watching this video. Like and subscribe. Thank you.